875. Let's fucking go. First of all, in const macros by system, we forgot these constants. Here they are now. Within BombSimp, we have some monkey wrench macros for the function below, SIMFIRE. It now takes a totally different parameter list. The room index, the XY tile, data pixel index, and the V16 value. But the data pixel index and V16 are not the same pieces of data. This is the data pixel index of the fata tile. This is the V16 of the bomb emitting flames. Scrolling down here, we have an alias for our Pix2048 that stores all of our memory. We're going to call it fata memory because we're going to access the fata tiles. We're going to carry over our input V16 and call it V16 bomb. And then V16 for the fata, we have to calculate later. And then monkey wrench macros here. DPI is for the fata DPI, data pixel index. And these variables are for iterating through the different branches of our explosion. How big is our explosion on each branch? So to the left, to the right, above, and below, using our lookup tables to figure that out. So for a certain bomb type, what kind of explosion size do we have for each arm of the explosion? Okay, we're going to figure out what the 32-bit fata tile is we want to set into the tile map by taking the modulated tick value and combining it with the V16 fata value. We've done this before in other videos. And then scrolling down here, we have a constant for 1, and we're going to loop through every single branch. We're going to loop through all of the tiles to the left, all of the tiles to the right, all the tiles above us, and all of the tiles below. Notice that we're moving by the stride here, right? Because this is a data pixel index. It's a one-dimensional value representing where our pixel is. Okay, in BombSimp tick, if we go down here, here's where we're calling it, right? V16 is the bomb type, DPI is DPI fata, and we're calling BombSimp SIMFIRE. And then that's about it. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. You've been on the fast video. A slower video is here. Tech demos only, source code, ways to get hold of me. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. If you want to see how to make a game engine, like, subscribe, and follow. My name is Kanji Coder.